Hey everybody, welcome back. Installing the Kali Linux on Windows operating system is a common problem now. So we have the solution for this. So for this purpose, we have two type of softwares. The first one is the VMware Workstation Pro 17 and the second one is the VirtualBox. So let's start from the VMware Workstation Pro 17. There are three steps you need to do. The first step, you need to download the VMware Workstation Pro 17. And next thing, you need to download the serial key of the VM. And it is not free, but don't be worried, I'm going to provide you, it's completely free. Okay, you can check it in the description. Step 3, you need to download the Kali Linux from its official website. So let's start quickly. So you need to open this link first, and this link is also available in the description easily. So just press enter on this button. This page will be open and scroll up, and you need to download this from this button. And remember that the download size is 545.88 megabyte and the software version is 17.5.2. Okay, you need to download this exact version, otherwise the serial keys will not be matched. So I already downloaded this. Here you can see the VMware Workstation 17.5.2. So let's install this. Double click on it. So after click on the menu, next, the installation is finished. Now it requires the license key. So from the provided license keys, choose any license key from your provided and just paste on here and click on enter. And that's it, finished. Now let's quickly open the VMware Workstation Pro 17. So now the VM is ready. Now you need to download the Kali Linux from its official website. So I hope you know the link. The link is kali.org. Just open this link and here you will find the download option. Just click on this download and here you have the multiple flavors of the Kali Linux. So first of all, you need to click on this installer images option, and if you scroll, you find the normal version, and if you scroll more, you find the purple version of the Kali Linux, and if you scroll more, then you find the Kali for the VMware Workstation. Just click on this one option, save this file. So I already downloaded this file. So here is the file. So what's next? Back click on it and extract the files here. Now the next step is that just open the VMware, then just click on open a virtual machine and then select the file where you extracted. Here is the folder where you extracted the file. After opening the folder, you find this file. Just double click on it. That's it. Then click on this power on this virtual machine. Just click the first option and press enter. The default password is Kali. Username is Kali and the password is also Kali. And click on login. So finally, here is the Kali Linux, which is successfully installed without any installation problem, without any error and without any critical efforts. Now after the installation, the first step you need to do that, just open the terminal and change the password according to your requirements and according to yourself. So hit the terminal. Now type it sudo su and then press enter. Now as you know that the default password of Kali is Kali. Okay. Now if you want to change it, you should type here PASSWD password and then press enter. So it requires a new password. So for example, I want to make my new password. Once more time. Okay, so my password is updated. Now the next time I need to use the new password. Now password Kali is removed permanently, but the username is still Kali. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel